Hey guys, so right now I'm getting ready to do my pedicure. Today is September 30th, Tuesday at 11:43. So yeah, I'm about to do my pedicure and then I need to do my hair. Yesterday I washed my hair and I was just chilling all day pretty much. But yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. So yeah, I got the polish off one foot, so now I'm about to do the next. It's getting cold. So I just finished my toes and I'm about to work on this wig that I'm gonna reinstall, which means I've already worn this wig before. So I'm gonna try to make some more use out of it. Yeah, my toes look good. This is supposed to be like the cat eye polish, so it's like two-tone. So cute. So yeah, here's the wig. It's definitely going with the vibes. So yeah. Last time I wore this, I wore it in a half up, half down style. This time, I believe I'm going to wear it with a bang. This time, I believe I'm just gonna wear it with a bang. I might wear it straight. I don't know. Should I do straight with a bang and curly or should I do straight with a bang or should I do curly with a bang? I don't know. I'm still deciding, but I know I'm gonna go with a bang. So yeah, I'm trying to think. Should I install the wig then eat, or eat then install the wig? I'm probably gonna install the wig then eat something. I'm running out of space on this card, so I'm trying to hurry up. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig and then eat. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, so so it's the next day. Last thing you guys saw me doing was my toes. I got those done. I think I showed you guys yesterday. But right now, I'm about to get ready to do my nails. This is a new gadget that I bought a few months ago, and I'm about to go on TikTok live and do my nails. And that's actually the first time that I'll be getting on, well, this will be the first time actually that I'm getting on TikTok doing my nails. So make sure you guys go follow me on TikTok and try to catch me there. I will start doing lives here on YouTube soon. I just got to get my shit together. But okay guys, so I'm done with my nails, and this is how they turned out. I really need to stretch. I need to do some more yoga content for you guys, but I need to find an outfit, to be honest. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find me some outfits to do some content and to do some yoga in. Today is a content week. Hello, Zozo. Don't mind her hair. She never keeps her ponytail together, so don't blame me. Blame her. She messes it up every time I fix it, and she walks around like this. I think this is how she likes to walk around, like a rock star. Cause who gonna be doing a ponytail every day and she mess it right up? Not me. Not for me. Not for me. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Today is Thursday. It's currently 1:02. I woke up kind of late today. I'm about to fix my hair, and then I'm about to take some pictures and stuff. So yeah, I'm about to touch up my hair, and then go ahead. My hair look good. But yeah, yesterday I just edited. You know, I gotta get these videos out for you guys. I haven't put a video out in a good little minute, so